So my name is Muhammad Musaki Mustafa. So my ID is DE97275. My lecturer name is Mr. Disenio. So today I would like to talk about my mini project that is Ebenezer Alarm System. So my subject scope is EED251 and microcontroller and interfacing lab. Sorry for interruption just now. So for the content, the first one is the abstract, and the second one is the introduction, the third one methodology, the fourth one result, and the fifth one is conclusion. So for the abstract, this project is about to produce an alarm sound for the emergency situation in public such as shopping malls, public parking, and residential area. So this project solves problem that some of the consumer having a hard situation when a thief or burglar snatching the bag of the victim or when suspicious person following the victim. This project is constructed by using microchip P184550. So the objective of this project is to design an emergency alarm which can be used as a warning and alerting in emergency situation in order to make the life of human more easier. So for this project, I will be using three buttons. So the first button is using for the fire alarm, and the second one in like the project solving, for the thief and burglar problem. So the third one is the earthquake problem. So for the earthquake, maybe the security and the authority will help to guide the consumer to the right place that safe. So the fire alarm is the normal one, and the second is the thief that having some problem, that is somebody wanted to snatch the person bag, or the consumer feels suspicious person following the consumer. So she or he can press the second button for that. So I will continue for the second slide. So how it works. So the first one is the victim can press first, second, or third button based on their situation. So step two is the alarm will produce sound that is spoken following three different situations. As in, let's say the first one is the fire alarm. The second one is the burglar and thief, and the third one is the earthquake. So with this step three, the security or the authority will rescue the victim. At the same time, thief or burglar will run away at the sound that being produced because the loudness is quite loud. This is the one of the one of the cases in the three button. So this is the second one. I've been showing the example by the thief and burglar will run away. So the third slide for the introduction. So I would like to introduce the main component of this project. So the first one is microchip P18F45550, and the second one is puzzle, and it will using with the NPN transistor also for the main component, and the third one is the push button, and the last one is the resistor. This is the main component. So I continue with the methodology. The first part is for the flowchart. So the flowchart is start 5-volt power supply, then first button is being pressed, and the second button is being pressed, and the third button is being pressed. It will produce a sound, different sound based on their button that being pressed. So if there is no button being pressed, there is no alarm sound will produce. So you just wait until the button is being pressed. So for the methodology, this is the program code, the alarm sound 1, alarm sound 2, and alarm sound 3. So this is the main program, the code, short and long, code delay, and the button. So before we proceed to the result, I will show you the circuit diagram of this project using Protest. It's just that for the coding, I'll be using for the Protest is different port, and for the PTK40A, I'll be using different port in the coding. So before we proceed into the result, I will show you for the MPLAB. So this coding is being using for the PTK40A on the lab and being tested, and it's successfully. Just the LED doesn't light up, so it's never mind. That is the problem that I have faced in this project. So I will press build all to see whether the code is correct or not, if there is an error or not. So yeah, so the coding is built successful. There is no error on this code. So we can proceed to the result. I will show you the PTK40 being tested with this code and this project. When the first button is pressed, then we produce loud sound. Same to the tekan button. Then go to the third button. So right, thank you. So we proceed to the last one, last section, that is conclusion. So the conclusion is project is have to achieve to sorry, this project have achieved to save life and make human life easier when it's hard time and emergency situation, such as burglar wanna snatching the bag of the person, or maybe the earthquake, the guard or security guard will help the consumer to go to the safer place. And lastly is a fire, maybe there will be an and rescue from there. So for future, we'll make some changes on this project, such as equip the GSM. Yeah, this is the best thing ever if we equip this project with GSM, because most of maybe the security might in the toilet sometimes when the real situation happen. So the security might not hear the maybe not might not hear the alarm sound because that is quite far from this place. But with the GSM, the security will get notification by the electronic devices like such as phone, computer. Though maybe they can know from everywhere, even though they are far from the situation, the affected area, but they will still can get notification for the alarm when someone press the button, the three button. So that's all from me. I hope this project will help the human and I mean the consumer and the user in a hard time and in this situation. By this thing, I hope we will live in this world with peacefully. Thank you. That's all from me.